What's going on, guys? As you guys can see, check engine lights on. Truck's throwing a code saying cylinder 7, glow plugs out. So today I'm gonna make a video of me changing that glow plug out and show you guys the steps to do that. And there you can see P0677 is the code, and cylinder 7 glow plug. So we're gonna go ahead and get that changed out today. Hopefully it's not too hard of a process. I'm gonna go ahead and clear the code now. So we put the new one in, it won't throw the code. And there's proof. Code's cleared right now, so we're gonna drop the new plug in, and hopefully that's the issue. Hopefully it's just a loose connector, and if that's the case, that'll be even better. I can save a lot more money and time. So I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna dive into this right now. So while I'm waiting on my compressor to fill up with air, I'm gonna show you guys and tell you guys what the rundown is of how to take this fender liner out. I'm gonna go through the fender liner instead of going through the top, because I've heard it's a lot easier to go through here. As you can see, you can start to kind of see some of the glow plugs are right there, literally right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this fender liner out. It's one bolt here, 1, 2, 3, and 4 of those, and then 1, 2, 3 little pop rivets. Take those out, and it also, this is the passenger side. It has 3. What size is it? 311mm bolts right here. 1, 2, and 3 back there. Take all those out, and fender line should drop. Probably have to push it forward and then pull it out, but it should come out just like that. So we're gonna go ahead and work on doing that now. Alright guys, fast forward here. Took the fender liner out, jacked the truck up, took the tire off, took the fender liner out, detached the suction, the vacuum box right there from the fender liner, and got to the number 7 glow plug right here. Wrapped my wire around it, popped it up. It looks like it has a lot of oil on it, on the plug itself. But we're gonna see. Hopefully I don't have to change out this harness. Hopefully it's not the harness. So we're gonna go in, take I think it's a 10mm, break this plug, this glow plug loose, and pull that out. And alright guys, we got the plug unbolted. Go ahead and take it out with the magnet. Picked up a magnet, you know, $4, always useful to have. Just grab it and pull it on out, and there you go. It does have oil on it. I've saw things where they said this is normal. I don't know if this causes them to go bad, premature, or what, but yeah, that's the glow plug. I'll show you guys a new one. Had my hood up earlier. Here's a new Motorcraft one. Part number here. Do a little comparison. I haven't taken out the bag because I don't want to get it dirty, or you know, just taking precaution. Don't want to ruin it before it gets in the truck. So there's a comparison there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this new one in. I'm probably gonna check the polarity on this one, make sure this is what's the problem, and then check this one and see what's up. Guys, after I throw this one in and button everything back up, and I'll catch up with you guys inside the truck. Alright guys, we're back in the truck. It's gonna be the first startup since putting them on. We're putting the one in. Here we go. So far so good, no light. Gauges are coming back. I'm gonna take it for a drive up the street real quick. But first, let's check the codes. We're good. No codes found. So let's take it up the street for a quick little ride around the block. Off the first start, I did notice it started up a little better. It sounded a little different starting. I don't know if that had anything to do with it. I doubt it, but it did sound a little different. But so far so good. I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna take a quick drive and catch you guys in the next video. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It seems like we fixed the problem. It was that number 7 glow plug. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and continue to support the channel. Have a great day.